Well, since we got a handle on all of our other annuals, now I'm going to start planting all of the seedlings I planted. Not all of them today. We're going to start with the cinnamon basil and the white swan marigold, which is actually kind of a beautiful pale yellow. Unfortunately, I think I had some birds or something eat my basil. Look at that. They're snipped off. I mean, there's some of them, they're still there, but grr. All right, let's get planting. We are going to plant these in between the pink cashmere. There's already drippers there, so it's perfect. Originally, I was going to plant the white marigold seedlings in between the cashmere. Actually, originally I was going to do dahlias, but we do not have the money for dahlias this year because of our plumbing incident. But this is where I'm going to plant the white marigolds, just all around here, kind of all together. Maybe a one simple line or something. But my goodness, look at all the roses. Oh, I'm just loving this time of year. Oh man. That Tessa the Dubervilles is so striking. I'll never get that name right. And then up front, look at those Poet's Wife standards. I obviously didn't go prune as hard as on the right one as I did the left one, but it is stunning. They smell good too. We're getting there. We're getting there. Gorgeous. Stop admiring my garden and get some work done. My husband bought some Luthador and planted those in the other day. That was not on the list, but you know, he's just as plant crazy as I am. I am one lucky woman. Anyway, had to show those. We are just going to plant a couple together along this. Basil and marigolds in. Now it's time to start tackling the berm and all around it. This is day 3 of weeding this area. I did not record day 2, but we're going to work on it again today. Well, that's definitely at least 1 yard cannon full. Walnut, supposedly, according to my plant ID, although it almost looks like Tree of Heaven, I think. It's trying to sprout stuff everywhere. We've got English ivy there, mixed up in here, all the way around. Once we pass the black walnut, then we get into bamboo. And there is a lot of it. It is starting to spread. Once we get past the bamboo, we are into Himalayan blackberry briars. And behind, underneath the blackberry briars, is some oxalis. Well, that's the least of my concern. But once you get out of the blackberry vines into the arborvitae, there is some more English ivy all entangled up. All behind there in the arborvitae. And I have no idea how far down it goes. It could be why the arborvitae is not doing well. Not a fan of arborvitae anyway, but this is going to take some work. This is not a week-long weeding patch. This is going to take a month with my husband's help. And we need to invest in some buckets of the wean and vine and stump killer. Oh my goodness. Bamboo, that's coming from there. Blackberry briars, they just grow anywhere here in the Northwest. So it's going to take a while to get this hill. Well, I should say the lower side of this hill, backside, completely invasive weed free. That is for another day. I have got to go get ready to go watch my niece play some softball. Our yard waste bin is full, so I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for watching, and until next time, feed the pollinators for me.